FormAssembly's April 2023 product launch is delivering new publishing options, updates to Workflow, the process and automation builder, a brand new integration, and more. Let's take a look at the highlights. Introducing Quick Publish. A new publishing method for forms has arrived. You can now embed forms into your web pages with a single script. No need for long embed codes. And with Quick Publish, if you make updates to your form, those changes will sync automatically without needing to republish the form on your website. This fast and convenient publishing method is now available on all FormAssembly plans. Updates to Workflow. With this launch, Workflow, FormAssembly's process and automation builder, is more powerful than ever before. Searching and sorting your workflows has been improved, and a response counter has been added so you can easily monitor the performance of your workflows. When adding forms into a workflow, you can now import your form settings like save and resume, notification emails, and most importantly, your existing connectors. This makes building and automating your processes easier and faster. And speaking of connectors, this launch also introduces the Microsoft Excel Add-on, a workflow-exclusive connector that integrates your workflows with your Excel workbooks. Your response data will push automatically to your Microsoft Excel accounts for further analysis, saving you time over manual exports. Workflow and the Microsoft Excel Add-on are available on Team, Enterprise, and Government plans. And finally, in this launch, we're making it easier for teams to collaborate on their forms with an update to our form collaboration options. Giving your team members access to view or edit forms is available at the flip of a switch, and form owners can transfer ownership of a form to another user in the event the user is going to leave the account and needs coverage of form management. For more information on any of these launch highlights or other FormAssembly features, visit help.formassembly.com. And for more FormAssembly content, make sure to subscribe to our channel.